Namaste. Myself, Shobha Srinivasan, HOD of High School Department from Mangala Vidya Mandira. There is a famous quote written by Lord Buddha, "Nothing is permanent." Any adverse condition, any problems prevailing in anyone's life surely will change. It is not permanent. A day will come when all the problems will be solved and we can lead our normal life. Similarly, entire globe is been suffering from this pandemic called corona right now. But it is not permanent. The day will come where we can come back to our normalcy. Between this time, the two things what we should remember right now presently is the first one is vaccination, the second one is to be brave. There is a famous quote in Kannada, Dhairyave Sarvartha Sadhanam, where once we are brave enough to face the challenge, surely we can overcome this problem. The year 2020 was started with the new hope and beginning in everyone's life, but it didn't remain the same. As the time passed in the year 2020, the first corona disaster struck in all lives, in all our lives. Many of the professions, many of the fields were being affected by this. Educational field is not an exception. Even education had its own disaster. But we at Mangala Vidya Mandira, the staffs, the management are committed and more responsible towards the education. We didn't want any uninterruption in the teaching learning process of our students. So, we started with the new and innovative techniques for this teaching learning process. As a result, in the year 2020, our academic started with few of the worksheets for the students. As the time passed, these worksheets were being converted into short videos which was being sent into the WhatsApp group of the students. Later on, all the teachers felt that this was not enough for our students to be learnt. As a result, we started our YouTube channel called Mangala Vidya Mandira in the 2020 June 24th, where we started to upload the syllabus based videos for our convenience of our students. As a result, our students did not had any interruption in their teaching learning process. Whenever they need references, they started to use our YouTube channel where they started to refer our videos. As a result, our teaching learning process continued without any interruption. But few challenges were there. The challenges has to be overcome by the teachers as well as the students. Successfully, we had completed 2021 academics with few online exams and few offline exams for the higher grade. For this, we thank all the parents, students, our teachers, management and academic people who have supported us to complete this 2021 academics successfully. In the hope of new beginning, we started with 21-22 academics. By the time the second pandemic corona wave again struck the entire world. As a result, we need to continue with their online classes as we had done in the year 2020. A step ahead of last year, we have started the continuous online classes from preschool to grade 9 and grade 10 also. So where every day we are going to meet our students regularly in the online classes through a platform called as Google Meet, where the students will be focused on how disciplined they are. So we are starting as usual classes how they were coming to physically to school, starting with the school assembly prayer still the Shanti mantra. Apart from this, our school is mainly focusing on Panchamukhi Shikshana, where we have to concentrate on emotional skills, thinking skills, psychological skills, physical skills, and intellectual skills of our students. For this, the academic procedure is not only enough. In order to inculcate them all these 5 skills, we need to give them some co-curricular activities also. On this basis, we are constantly giving our students the co-curricular activities, where the students, the last year also they actively participated, and we are expecting the same this year also. So this education should not have any interruption. On this regard, our admission process for the 21-22 academics have been begun. Finally, I'll conclude saying that don't stop learning in your life. Your life doesn't stop from teaching. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.